Hey guys, what's up? It's Kendall. Welcome back to my channel. So Skylar and I are on our way right now to a friend's house. We're gonna be cooking them dinner, so I thought I would vlog. Skylar and I right now, we're gonna go get Starbucks. I'm wearing a beanie because it's really cold outside. I know it's still cold outside, but I will always get this drink no matter how cold or hot it is outside. So good. Guys, so we're at Alexis and Mackenzie's house right now. So I think we're gonna do some salad, and then we're gonna do some asparagus, and then we're gonna cook some chicken. So that's what we have planned right now. All right guys, so I'm cutting some chicken right now.
Yeah, you want to bite it?
And then we're gonna put it in this thingy, I don't know what it's called, but
Air fryer.
An air fryer. What do you want me to do with these carrots? My mom makes really good carrots.
I was gonna cut them and put on salad, but it's not good.
We can do both. Okay. Carrots are good for the eyes, so. I got some carrots in here. So you're gonna boil the carrots, and then we're gonna put salt and pepper. For the carrots, I added salt and pepper, and then I'm gonna go in with lemon pepper. Butter in here. We're gonna let that dissolve. So I scooped out all of the carrots from the pot into a bowl. Now what I'm gonna do is melt a little more butter, and then once it's melted, put more lemon pepper on it, and then that's what you put on top. So the chicken is done on the first side. We're flipping it, and then we're gonna put it back in for a little bit. So I just melted the butter. We're gonna put some of the lemon pepper in there. Good source of meat.
Yeah, yum.
Okay. Now some carrots, good for the eyes. Am I right?
You're right.
Okay. And now some salad. Dinner made by me and Alexis. We just finished dinner. It was really, really good. I'm really happy and surprised at myself because I don't cook often. That was kind of like my first meal that I've ever cooked. So I'm super, super proud of myself. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.